Quadcopter builders love to make modifications to their drones, or as we like to call them, mods. And it's kind of an extension of our creativity. In this case, I want to improve these antenna tubes. They're really made for free sky, I think, fly sky receivers. And my Spectrum has a little bit too long of an antenna. So I happen to have some antenna tubes, and these are easily obtained in lots of different colors. If you walk into your hobby shop, they're in the RC car department, or you can just order them online. They come usually in 12-inch lengths, and I happen to have had some red, and I cut it down to the length that I like. And it looks like this is about the right length right there. So let's go make that modification. Super easy. We're just going to pull that out, take off the retainer, pull that tube out, and slide my new tube in. There we go. And it's a perfect fit. These are all standardized parts. You can just, like I said, you can get any brand of antenna tubes in any color. And, well, it looks like it's still a little long, but you know what? I'm happy with it. That's my mod. Put the strap right back down. Thought it would fit exactly right, but I guess I was off a little bit. Still, it looks kind of cool with the longer tubes on it. One of the things I don't like about this design is how we have all these protruding nuts at the bottom. And if you land hard, yeah, you're going to be banging on those nuts. And I'm not really crazy about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some landing pads. I happen to buy these bags of landing pads, and they do wear out. And I think this was like $9 or $10 for, I don't remember how many, 50 of them. And they're very simple to use. You just peel off the backs, and I'm going to stick it right about there. And they last a good long while. They will make sure they're kind of in the same spot, because I want them to look nice. I'm approximating it. That one's not quite centered. And now I have nice rubber landing pads to drop on. Did you see that? It bounces now. And those are my quick mods just to make my quadcopter a little bit more special, a little bit more mine.